Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glowing eye hack on Dress to Impress, and you don't even need custom makeup or anything like that. So I'm just going to get these earrings and I'm just going to color them the color of what I want the glowing eyes to be, and then I'm just going to select neon, and then I'm just going to scale it down, and I'm just going to kind of position it where the eyes are first. So it's going to look a little bit wonky at first, like this, but you kind of have to place it there first. And then I am going to actually save the outfit first. Save it, and then go back to the adjustments here. Wait, hold on. I guess I have to wear it again. And scale it down again. And then you're just going to find the eyes again. Where is it? Oh, as you can see, they went smaller. Here, as you can see, they're smaller. So by saving it, for some reasons, it makes the eyes smaller. If it's too small, you can resize them to be further apart and make sure they're in the middle like this. And then I'm just going to place it where the pupils are. I think that's good enough. I'm just going to place them a little bit closer to where the eyes are too, like that. And that is how you can make your eyes glow on Dress to Impress without custom makeup. I know you still need to use a game pass, but it is free, you have to just play 30 rounds. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.